Good morning, all. This is Rajakani, research scholar from Department of Physics, St. John's College, Palayamkottai, Tamil Nadu, India. I am glad to share my research finding as a poster in this conference. This is my research work entitled Studies on Silver Incorporated Titanium Aerogel Nanostructure as a Photoanode in Quasi-Solid Dye-Sensitive Solar Cell. So first of all, I chooses uh, AG incorporated titanium aerogel as a photoanode material in DSSC. So titanium aerogels are three-dimensional mesoporous material which has high surface area and large pores. Due to this property, which was used as a potential candidate in photovoltaic and photocatalyst application, this is my synthesization step. Here I uses titanium isopropoxide and acetic acid as a main precursor for this experiment, and after the hydrolyzation and condensation was undergone, in between I added Ag precursors in the sol. We get a sol. The sol was kept into that ammonia path. So after the pH was changed, we get gel. The wet gel was undergone aging process. Due to aging, it was kept 3 to 2 to 3 days in water bath. After the aging was over, the gel was tightening, and after that the drying process was undergone. We used ambient pressure drying using solvent exchange method. Here this is our sample which was shown in figure. The obtained powders was well grained and kept in a containers. The figure well show that after incorporated Ag on an TiO2, it was changing in color from pure white to brown. The samples were stored under dark condition due to the incorporation of Ag, and the obtained samples were undergone structural, optical and photovoltaic analysis. The powder XRD, which was revealed that after incorporation of Ag, the anodized phase was retained throughout the four samples, and the EDX spectra was confirmed that presence of silver in titania. So we added little bit lower amount here. The presence was confirmed, and HRSM images, which was well given the mesoporous structure, the highly surfaced porous structure here, and after incorporation of Ag, the bulk Ag material was physically adsorbed in a surface of titanium matrix. So we get a agglomeration in an after incorporation of Ag. The optical studies were undergone with the help of UV visible spectrometer. So from UV absorption, we come under the conclusion LSBR. Localized surface plasma resonance was exhibit in an 400 to 600 nanometer up to visible region, and the top plot was helped to given information about how much reduction of band gap after incorporation of Ag, and the photoluminescence spectra was given data about uh, after incorporation of Ag in an titania, which was decreases the intensity, and which is evidence that suppressing the electron hole recombination and improve the electron injection. So this is the quasi dye sensitive solar cell assembly. assemble model. So this is the titania, this is FTO glass plate. After that I coated the titan TiO2, and after that we go to diadsorption through 1 day. After that diadsorption, we added a little bit amount of gel electrolyte on the surface of diadsorbed photoanode. After it was deposited on that surface. After we sandwich with the with two photoanodes, platinum coated counter electrode, and we fabricated the cell. So after the testing the cell with 100 microwatt per centimeter square illumination, we get higher efficiency on the one weight percentage, which was we obtained PCE, power conversion efficiency, in 4.293 for one weight percentage. So which was confirmed that after incorporation of AG, the high light harvesting was occur, and which was exhibit in JSC also. The JSC value was 12.96 milliamps per centimeter square, which confirms that high amount of light harvesting was exhibit after incorporation of AG. Um, AG, we incorporated AG on TiO2. The AG has some corrosion nature. Due to that corrosion, its efficiency was decreased after we increases the amount of dopant level. So which is also deposit from this tabulation. After the 2 weight percentage, it started to drop the voltage, drop the PCE, power conversion efficiency. It reaches to 3 weight percentage, it was totally dropped, and which was confirmed with the help of impedance, and the transient measurement was giving the cell stability after the few more cycles. So here you can see this, the light is on, it was stable, and after the off cycle also it gives a stable. The open circuit voltage was common, which was stable throughout the incorporation, and from this the photovoltage decay was not happen in this cell. So I conclude this work. I prepared a novel plasmonic nanocomposite aerogel successfully, and I incorporated 1, 2, 3 weight percentage of silver in TiO2 matrix. After 1 weight percentage, it had exhibit high power conversion efficiency, 4.29% of in one sun illumination, which was higher comparing to pure one, pristine one, which is efficiency is 2.468% alone. So thanks for this wonderful opportunity to explain my work, and thanks to my collaborators and my colleagues to given real wonderful opportunity. Thank you.